This is a USB 480 gigabit per second coaxial cable, supporting high-speed data transmission and up to 240-watt power delivery. First, here is a close-up of the connectors, cable jacket, and overall design. Next, the cable is connected to a 24-pin test board to check the connection status of the pins. The cable is then connected to the power test setup. The real-time voltage, current, and power output are shown on the screen. Finally, the cable SE marker information is read with a cable tester. View the full product details through the direct link in the description.